Good morning.
From Koh Yao Noi. That's so cheesy.
Let's not say that. Good morning. Today we are headed out into the bay on a boat tour.
Yeah. We're getting on a boat and we're going on an island tour around the islands. Probably like 8 islands. We're going with our local host here at the Airbnb. It's gonna be sweet. Anything else?
That's it. All right.
Let's do this thing.
Let's go.
One of those has to take, right?
I'm driving. You guys are sitting in the thing.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire.
And we're cruising.
Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win.
I made it.
Build things up to knock them down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane.
So amazing here.
Swimming time.
We just got here to this little private island. The first, well, actually, like the second stop on our boat tour. It's just absolutely stunning here. So we just came over here to this little island. Our guy said that there was going to be monkeys over here, and there's just over there. And he said that they like dive down into the water to like eat the food, or he said they could be in the water for 1 minute, for underwater for 1 minute. That's crazy. It's so adorable.
Dodge them. They're easy to dodge.
What's the name of this place? What's the name of this one?
Lao Kudu.
Lao Kudu. Wow.
Look at that one.
Oh my gosh.
There's one right there. He doesn't even care. Jump in now.
Alright, Sammy's ready to jump in.
With the jellies, I'm just literally gonna dip my bottom in so I can cool off. That's it. That's all I can do. I can't get in the water with jellies. Not when I can see them. We came to this beach to come swimming where there's not a lot of jellyfish, but there's tons of tourists. I think I'll take my chances with the jellies.
We're here at the national park.
We're inside. I think it's called Hong Nok. He said Hong means room in Thai. I could be butchering this, but I'm pretty sure. And it kind of makes sense though, because it's like a little room surrounded by the cliffs, the limestone cliffs. And then there's just like this shallow bay inside, and you can see all the fish. So it's low tide right now, so it's really cool. It's like knee-deep water through this entire thing. They brought us to this little beach to have our lunch, and it's so cute. They packed us like a little picnic basket with waters. We have a rice and chicken dish, and we have our own little private beach to have lunch with. Good morning, guys.
What's up, my gangsters?
That's all he's trying something.
My new
new.
one.
Okay. Okay. Good morning, guys.
What up, dogs?
Tommy,
We're trying to do something new. You don't like that?
whatever.
None of those fit good?
Not fit.
No?
They don't fit you.
Good.
Good morning from Koh Yao Noi.
So boring, but fine.
Get up here. Good morning. Tommy, I say good morning. You say from Koh Yao Noi or something like that.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Good morning.
From Koh Yao Noi. No.
I feel like I'm.
Almost.
Did that work? Ow. Okay. I was trying to get wet because I'm so hot and all the other water has jellies in it. It was hard for a tall person.